Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on mobile with a keyboard and mouse. First, gather your essential gear. You will need your mobile phone or tablet, a standard wired USB keyboard, and a wired USB mouse. Additionally, prepare a USB OTG adapter and a powered USB hub. These are key to making everything connect seamlessly. Confirm all your components are working before proceeding. Now, let's connect everything together carefully. Take your USB OTG adapter and plug its male end directly into your mobile device's charging port. Next, connect your powered USB hub into the female end of the OTG adapter. Finally, insert the USB cables from both your wired keyboard and your wired mouse into any available ports on the USB hub. Ensure all connections feel secure. With your peripherals connected, your mobile device should automatically detect them, usually without extra drivers. Now, open the Roblox application on your phone or tablet. Many Roblox games are designed to seamlessly adapt to keyboard and mouse input, often recognizing movement and clicks immediately. If adjustments are needed, check the in-game settings menu for sensitivity or key binding options within a specific experience. To confirm everything is working correctly, launch a simple Roblox experience that allows for free movement. Test moving your character with the keyboard's WASD keys and control the camera by moving your mouse. If you encounter any issues, first, double-check all your cable connections. Ensure the USB hub has power and that the OTG adapter is fully inserted. Sometimes a quick restart of the Roblox app can resolve minor glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.